Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. For today's vlog, medyo kakaiba lang yung vlog natin yan because it's not the usual vlog or condo tour na ginagawa natin. But this one is an actual turnover ng units ng mga clients natin. Diba,
Yes,
Miss Serena?
that's correct.
So, together with me is Miss Serena Jinto. Ayan. So, are you excited?
Super.
But before that, we will show them around first sa amenities dito sa Chelsea Parkplace. So, what are we waiting for, Miss Serena? Let's go? Let's go!
Speakeasy bar is also connected here with our function hall.
Ayan. Sobrang spacious din yan, no, Miss Serena?
Yes.
And you have also space pa.
Function
Dito.
spillover area naman.
Oo. Oops. Tara, diba?
Okay,
Ayan.
here.
So dito, tanaw natin yung one of the biggest McDonald's in Asia. Ayan. Tapos, you also have the view of the BPO towers.
Yes.
Diba?
Greenery
Ayan.
area and the Mount Arayat.
Yes, of course, the iconic Mount Arayat that we have. Ayan. So, let's tour sa swimming pool naman.
Swimming pool and sa fitness gym.
So, right beside of our function room, we have the swimming pool, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yan, pwede tayong mag-swimming, mag-chill dito, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan.
And we also have the fitness gym over there.
Yep. So, adjacent lang siya with our swimming pool, the fitness
So
center
magkakatabi
or
lang yung
gym.
mga amenities talaga. So,
Yes.
Okay, now, one of our amenities here at Chelsea Parkplace is the fitness gym.
Center, yep.
Yeah,
So, complete amenities naman or equipment, like
Equipment.
the
most used
treadmill,
equipment naman.
dumbbells, and of course, meron din siyang extra space dito. So, the question here, some of mga fitness enthusiasts, are they allowed for a Zumba ba din?
Yes, oo naman. Oo naman. Pwedeng-pwede po.
Alright. Sige. And of course, hindi lang pang adult, but we also have kids play area.
Yes.
So, tara, puntahan natin.
Okay, now we are at the kids play area.
Yes.
Yeah,
Ang sarap
so
tuloy maging bata. So,
Yeah.
wherein we could play around here. So, ano ba to? Oh.
Educational, di ba?
Oh, diba?
Yung mga ano natin.
Pwede ba ako dito? Baka masira. Hindi naman.
So, hindi lang yung mga adults yung mag-e-enjoy dito, even the kids. Like, di
Mga
ba?
isang bata ba? Pwede ba?
Pwede.
Ah,
Pwede
pwede.
rin naman.
So,
Yeah.
ayan.
We also
And,
have some books here, di ba?
Ako nga. What I love, itong cute na CR dito.
Yes.
Sarap.
But it's currently closed.
Mhm.
Yeah, but they have their own toilet there for the kids.
Alright. So, at least somehow you have an overview sa mga amenities to enjoy ng mga unit owners dito. And we're so excited to give you a tour din sa actual turnover ng mga units
Yes.
natin for our clients, diba? So, tara, what are we waiting for? Let's go!